Today, we're tackling a truly unique project that pushed us way outside our comfort zone. A giant 3D-G made entirely of foam cord. This was a first for us, so get ready for some serious problem solving. This foam cord is fantastic, but it can be tricky. Our biggest challenge? Getting clean edges, essential for that polished 3D look. We started with a prototype to work out the kinks. We designed the G for our CNC machine, and we cut several foam shapes. The plan was to stack and glue 3 layers for the 3D effect. We experimented with adding stickers along the sides to enhance the edges. It was a bit of a gamble, but sometimes you just have to try things out. We did a kiss cut on a sticker and carefully applied it. Not bad, right? It actually adds a cool design element. We showed the prototype to the client and got some feedback. We were already brainstorming improvements, maybe more foam layers for thickness. Moving on to the actual design, we worked with thicker foam, cutting and gluing the Gs. The first part was easy. The challenge? Those clean side edges. Gluing thinner shapes together created visible shadows, making the piece look unfinished. We had a few ideas. First, we tried sticker vinyl, but it wasn't clean enough. We needed thicker paper to hide them, so we tried using cardstock and gluing it on. Smooth sailing until we reached the top. The paper left visible gaps, not clean at all. Next, we tried airbrushing and even hand painting the sides with different colors. After a lot of trial and error, we went with black spray paint for the sides and yellow paper for the front. With this version ready, we decided to make another. Remember the top paper gap issue? We cut that section into 3 pieces and glued them separately, hoping for cleaner results. We showed both versions to the client, and they chose the first one. This project gave us valuable insights in design creation, and we're excited to tackle more like it.